Wait, I don't pass. Oh yeah, go was saying, come. It's like it's okay like this, Abby. Oh yeah, it's me. Thank you. Psychic. He get one boy where they live for Mushin Losha. He name na Shaggy, they walk he kakaraka. But he get the madness where they put them for palava. If he see Shaggy, make he jack back, Shaggy na tailor, Shaggy na carpenter. Shaggy palava. Shaggy na husband, Shaggy na driver. Shaggy na trouble, Shaggy no dey gree. We don't come, no one plan.
Remember what I tell you. You see, anything when chief ask you, go straight to the point.
To the point.
No be shoot where the mama fly coconut. Chief no dey like cho.
Sir, really no worry. You know say me I dey with you. See, if chief come safe, he go when he hear the word that come out from mama, he will know that I'm in knowledge. Oh yeah.
I no want just talk. The point.
Stay to the
go
point.
To the next
no
one.
Wala. No wala.
So, even this one, I'm not sure say you need to talk. May you no talk.
No, you no go talk.
May you no know anything.
Waiting one talk when they no born the papa. Who know am? When you go talk?
I dey come.
Alright. Sir Willie, God will bless you. This is what you do for me. God will do it for you.
If the man asks for my name, wait, I no go talk.
If you talk your name, but anything we don't pass me, don't talk anything. No come spoil am because only your stammerer like this. If he make the man turn off.
Waiting that one call me now.
You should be waiting that one call me. See your house. Guys, see your house. This house as there, it cost to.
Me, I hear na 20 million.
This one 20 million. He passed 20 million. As this house dey like this now, $100 million million. US. Now he dey. This one said now one of his guest house. You know who we call meet billionaire? Hey, as he dey like that, go check Guinness Book of Record. He dey there. He stay inside passage there for 2 years. He not come out. No, as billionaire.
So you get this kind of person and you dey suffer.
Who dey suffer?
You know dey suffer.
I mean dey suffer. No be your fault now. No be your fault or Deoshi. Omo, if the man don't come, we just dey.
You bill am for floor now.
See, if you don't come, we just in case he ask us say wetin we want. Understand? Maybe we no tell am make give us anything. We just tell am sir, we want you to help us. Oh yeah, so that we can move forward in life. You know, it good make they teach person how to catch fish. That make they give the best in fish.
Hunger they catch me oh.
So you want shop? No. This egg, you be like egg of friend wait for me suicide. Oluwa. Welcome, sir. Yeah.
What's happening here?
Sir, I think maybe the dustbin, maybe they not take it outside. We can take it outside. It's part of our work.
Make I just go carry out.
Maybe you should. Don't worry.
It has been your problem. I don't even know what you people are talking about, but you can have your seat. You can have your seat, yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Can we just forget about whatever is smelling here and go straight to the point so that I can quickly leave here?
Sir, I can even go outside to buy everything so that we can fleet.
There is no problem.
Oh, make I go bring face mask.
That one is fine.
Alright.
Are you people okay?
Yeah, we are okay.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes, sir.
are they good to go?
Yes, sir.
We are good to go. Sorry that we.
I just start stock.
So, Willie,
Yes, sir.
which one is Shaggy here?
She's a Shaggy. Number one bag with Melanie Poppy plus the boy.
5 kilos. That's enough.
But I just want to is AKA because sometimes they will not call me my name, they will call me AKA. Oh yeah, like Melanie Poppy. Last thing boy,
That's okay. Willie here told me that you are good at working for people.
Yes, and that's how I work.
So what is your area of specialization?
Okay, where the area that is there's it's Mushin. That's the area that I special. Everybody from Mushin they know me. If I head am.
What you came here to do, your work, the work you want
Oh,
to do.
okay, yeah, I work. I think maybe you want to know the background of my roots.
I just want to know what can you do?
I can.
Are you good at?
I'm good at everything.
Everything.
That's how God make me. Nothing where I can walk anywhere.
I see.
Yes.
I get to the point now. Okay. So which one is this innocent one that is seated close to you now?
Me.
Yes.
No matter.
What is your name?
My name is Wos.
He's Bro Shaggy's apprentice.
Yes.
He's equally good.
You good?
Yes.
I think now policeman you can do security.
You say your name is what?
Wos.
Yes. The time that your mama died, understand is me that they put him under him.
Oh,
I should not show him.
Oh, the mother is late.
No, the mother is not. She's not coming here. She's not late. Like she have died. It's always to that mother and bell.
No, don't cry.
It's always emotional.
Hold on, don't cry. Willie?
Sir.
I think I am going to give them 1 week trial.
You will not regret. We will shock you.
No, don't mention.
Cheese.
This is what I do for the poor masses.
I'm ready to go.
Oh, baby.
How do I?
Yes.
Madam.
Thank you.
Welcome, man.
Shaggy.
Baby.
Yes, honey.
Who are they?
They are the ones that I'm seeing if I will match their capacity with Aswama to work in the house. They are our new house helps.
Okay. I think I like them already.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, guys.
You die, boy.
Yes. Meanwhile, baby, what of Aswama?
Oh, I asked her to get my car keys. Aswama!
Yes, madam.
Oka, good morning, sir.
Aswama, this is afternoon.
Oh, sorry, Oka, because I never chop breakfast.
Let me have my car keys. So you can go and eat. I'm only waiting.
Aswama, this one is Shaggy.
Shaggy. Number one, brother Shaggy. Number one, Palagi.
Yes. Then the one seated close to him is Wole Shoyinka.
No. Wos.
He's on.
Oh, Mr. Wos.
He's always stammer.
What kind of name is that?
That's the name. His mama is on the name ceremony they give.
Okay, never mind. They are going to join capacity with you and work in the house. Yes.
It's even because I'm looking at the face. The other say, I saw him tell who here. He said, we have met before. Because he looks similar. They have seen how no, they follow them.
I am happy.
Aja market.
Madam, but you remember that day where I go market? Why at least my team come for ground? And this man, now he help me carry my now he come help me
Now me
carry.
help her speed her pack it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because I cannot see something that's bad and I will not make it good. Because I'm a good person.
That means they must be good people, though.
Yeah, he's a good man. And I think they're perfect for the job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, baby. I think I should start going.
No, baby, hold on. Jide, I am thinking of something.
What is it?
Brother Shaggy, can you drive?
Drive. Sir, nothing why no fit that I can drive anything as I am like this.
I mean, can you drive a Rolls Royce?
Sir, gbagbe yẹn. Sir, I start with motorway. Na motorway I start with manual. If it's automatic, I can drive it. Rolls Royce na small thing. As I did like this, I dey drive aeroplane. You know, for Murtala Mohammed Airport, wetin dem dey call me? You see, say no be me talk, I ain't talk. That's for me. I'm saying the truth.
You can drive a Ferrari 2023 model.
Ferrari. With one finger like this, I'll just be driving it. Okay, you see that Ferrari that I have here? And you have handbrake. You see? So forget it. Forget it. No motor why I know they drive. That food I had to drive for. Now you be my conductor. Anytime I drive, it's my conductor.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Baby.
Yes, darling.
Since you are about to leave, I am thinking of brother Shaggy to drive you to the market with that our G-Wagon AMG 2025 model made in China. I think that one will be okay.
Sir.
I think it's a nice idea.
Yes.
It's a nice idea.
So, brother Shaggy,
sir,
you are going to drive my wife to the market.
Sir, don't worry. As I am like drive. No, I don't drive. Get accident 20 times. Nobody die. I can drive at least.
Bro Shaggy. Sorry, sir. He can actually drive.
Okay, that's fine. I think I have to leave you people now. I have a meeting with that Toys and Obo.
Okay, alright, no problem.
I will see you guys later.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
brother Shaggy.
God bless you, sir.
And
what's that's good.
Yes, so.
Asoma.
Yes, ma'am.
Take Wos
Yes.
to his room. Shaggy, meet me outside.
Alright, man, no problem. Behind you. Thank you very much, man.
Why you dey like this? Why you dey like this? You know say you nearly lose vision.
I cannot barely lose anything. See as I dey talk, you say na me dey talk. Na God dey talk. See the way everything go, e smooth. Officer Rose, congratulations on your new job and chat. Well,
Oh, God. Me, I want shit.
So make I open my mouth. About you,
You want shit? Come out of shit, Baby,
make I go shit.
Hey. Wetin dey do? Wetin dey do? Say you get it like so person soldier. Remove your hand. Man, you no get respect. Your person at home just cannot dey hold her. Say you know her. Even me that I know her. I know her for neck. Me and the was then you don't know. Actually, you remember for Aja. You when you call the whole her for neck. I very really concerned. Shut up, John. I saw ma. Or what also? Oh, I meet you later and come and shit. You take me there. I saw more.
Shaggy. You don't concentrate for work when you come work here. No be woman you find come here.
No, I just dey greet her because I know her before now.
I don't know you.
No worry. Ma, I don't dey come ma. Afa, she AC dey my room.
You get that from there.
Shaggy!
One boy with the live for Mushin Losha. In him na Shaggy, the walkie kakaraka. But he gets madness where they put him for palava. If he see Shaggy, make it jump back. Shaggy na tailor, Shaggy na carpenter.